Rethink your fridge and freezer habits. Want a more natural lifestyle? Start by ditching the deep freezer and downsizing your fridge. A bigger fridge leads to hoarding, not fresh eating. Try this. List everything in your fridge and freezer. What it is, how long it's been there, and how it's stored. You might be shocked. Fix it. Eat fresh. Consume cooked food within 24 hours. Store only what you need. Share extra food instead of hoarding leftovers. Refrigeration shouldn't control your habits. Prioritize fresh, healthy eating over convenience. Think before you store.